How to replace a broken microwave bulb. Microwaves have become an essential appliance in our kitchens, making our lives easier and more convenient. However, like any other device, they may encounter issues over time. One common problem that many microwave owners face is a broken bulb. While a broken bulb may seem like a minor inconvenience, it can affect your ability to use the microwave effectively. In this presentation, we will discuss how to replace a broken microwave bulb and ensure that your appliance is functioning optimally. Step 1. Safety first. Before attempting any repairs on your microwave, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Microwaves operate on high voltage, so it is essential to unplug the appliance and allow it to cool down before proceeding with any repairs. Additionally, wearing protective gloves and goggles is recommended to avoid any potential accidents. Step 2. Locate the bulb. The next step is to locate the broken bulb within the microwave. Typically, the bulb is located near the top or at the back of the appliance. For others, you might have to unscrew a protective cover or vent grill on the bottom panel. Consult the user manual or manufacturer's guidelines to find the exact location of the bulb in your specific model. Step 3. Remove the old bulb. Once you have located the bulb, using gloves or a cloth, gently unscrew it counterclockwise. Be careful not to apply too much force, as excessive pressure can cause the bulb to break further and potentially damage the socket. Step 4. How to remove the socket. Use a small carrot, about 2 inches long. Prepare one side to be in a cone-type form, with less than a 1/4 inch diameter. Push inside the socket very gently and firmly, turning counterclockwise. If the bulb is stuck, you can use pliers or a bulb remover tool to help loosen it. Step 5. Choose the right replacement bulb. It is crucial to choose the correct replacement bulb for your microwave. Check the voltage, wattage and size of the old bulb and purchase a new one with identical specifications. Using the wrong bulb can lead to performance issues or even damage the microwave. Often, the bulb side specifications are printed on the old bulb or in the user manual. It's usually a good idea to take the old bulb with you to the store to ensure you get the right one. Step 6. Install the new bulb. Once you have the replacement bulb, carefully screw it into the socket in a clockwise direction. Ensure that it is securely tightened, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause the bulb to break or damage the socket. Step 7. Test the bulb before replacing the panel. After replacing the bulb, plug in the microwave and test it to ensure that the new bulb is functioning correctly. Turn on the microwave and observe whether the bulb illuminates properly. If the bulb does not turn on, double-check that it is securely installed and that there are no issues with the socket or wiring. Step 9. Replace any panels or covers you removed and screw them back into place. Step 10. Maintenance and precautions. To prevent future bulb breakage, it is essential to handle the microwave with care. Avoid slamming the door or placing heavy items on top of the appliance, as these actions can result in bulb damage. Regularly clean the microwave to remove any dirt or debris that may accumulate and affect the bulb's performance. Step 9. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the broken microwave bulb. Now, you can enjoy being able to see the food as it cooks, making your microwave experience even better. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel in order to continue receiving more valuable information.